you bastards. I was perfectly content using your free headline analyzing tool, and then you had to push me into this free trial of the pro version you created, and now I can never go back. And you knew that. You knew that. Oh my god, look how beautiful this is. I'm just, oh my goodness. Amazing. We've got the version history here as I test out different things. I can easily go back to one of the ones that I liked. It gives a headline score and an SEO score, and I'll come back to that in a moment. Suggestions: increase emotional words. So I open the word bank here. Uncommon words, common words, emotional words, power words. Shows me the word balance. Word count, character count, this part was already there. Type, sentiment, clarity, skimmability. So here it has a suggestion of where to move this. Now here's another really cool thing. SEO score. First of all, I love to look at how much better I am than my competition. Thank you. I appreciate that. And it's actually really inspiring to look at some of these headlines because, you know, I see the ones that are green and I go, oh, I could try that structure, or I could try that word. So it definitely sparks some ideas when I see those. And I think there's probably a heck of a lot more features in here, because this is my first look at it and I just was like, all right, I'm sold. I'm in. So, yeah, I just had to tell you that you made quite an amazing product here, and I really like it.